Hi, I'm Izanur Akmal binti Zulkarnain, CB210208. I'm gonna talk about breath alcohol analyzer. A breath alcohol analyzer, also known as a breathalyzer, is based on the idea that alcohol is absorbed into the circulation through the digestive system when a person eats it. A little amount of the alcohol is subsequently released into the breath through a process known as a gas exchange as the blood carrying it circulates to the lung. A breath alcohol analyzer measures the level of alcohol in a sample of breath persons. Usually, alcohol-sensitive sensors such electrochemical or infrared ones are used for this measurement. These sensors detect the amount of alcohol in the breath when a person exhales into the device, and they then generate a signal that shows the body's blood alcohol content. The method of using and determining measurement with a breath alcohol analyzer typically involve the following steps. For the first step is preparation. Ensure that the breath alcohol analyzer device is properly calibrated and ready for use. Follow any specific instructions provided by the manufacturer. It is recommended to start the test after drinking 20 minutes, which is more accurate. Second, subject instruction. Instruct the person to whom the test will be administered on how to use the device. Provide clear and concise instructions on how to blow into the device correctly. For this step is you must press down the button until show the warm-up sign for 10 seconds. For the third step is breath sample collection. Instruct the person to take a deep breath and then exhale forcefully into the breath alcohol analyzer mouthpiece or designated area. The person should continue blowing until prompted to stop. So for this one, the person must start blowing when the display show blow sign. Next is measurement process. The breath alcohol analyzer device will analyze the breath sample and measure the alcohol content present. The specific method and technology used will depend on the device, but generally electrochemical or infrared sensors are employed to detect and quantify the alcohol. So the next is reading display. The breath alcohol analyzer will display the measurement results on a screen, typically showing the blood or breath alcohol concentration (BAC) level. The advantages using breath alcohol analyzer is non-invasive. Breath alcohol analyzer provide a non-invasive method of testing for alcohol levels in the body. They only require a breath sample, eliminating the need for blood tests or other invasive procedures. Next is quick and immediate results. Breath alcohol analyzer provide rapid results, usually within seconds. This allows for immediate assessment of a person's alcohol impairment level. The third is portability and convenience. Breath alcohol analyzer devices are often portable and easy to carry, allowing for on-the-spot testing in various settings such as roadside checks, workplace, or social events. For the fourth is cost-effective. Breath alcohol analyzers are generally more cost-effective than blood tests or other lab-based alcohol testing methods, making them more accessible for widespread use. The last one is deterrent effect. The presence of breath alcohol analyzer can act as a deterrent to individuals considering driving under the influence. These advantages of using a breath alcohol analyzer. Firstly is margin of error. breathalyzer devices can have a margin of error, which means the measurements may not always be 100% accurate. Secondly is variability in results. Breathalyzer readings can be influenced by various factors such as breathing patterns, residual mouth alcohol, or the presence of substances other than alcohol that may interfere with the measurement. The third is limited to alcohol detection. Breath alcohol analyzers are specifically designed to measure alcohol levels and do not detect the presence of other substances that may impair a person's ability to operate a vehicle or perform tasks safely. Next is calibration and maintenance requirements. To ensure accuracy, breath alcohol analyzer devices need regular calibration and maintenance. Failure to calibrate or maintain the device properly can impact the reliability and validity of the results. The last one is need for confirmatory testing. Breath alcohol analyzer measurements obtained outside of legal or medical settings may require confirmatory testing using more accurate methods, such as blood tests for precise legal or medical purposes. The use of breath alcohol detectors in industry. Breath alcohol analyzer, commonly known as a breathalyzer, are used in various industries for alcohol testing for ensure safety, compliance, and risk mitigation. Here are some examples of how breath alcohol detectors are used in different industries. Transportation logistics, law enforcement and security, workplace safety, mining and oil and gas industry, healthcare and medical settings, sporting events and entertainment, schools and educational institutions. It is important to note that the specific use of breath alcohol detectors in each industry may vary based on local regulation, company policies, and the nature of the work involved. Factors affecting calibration of breath alcohol analyzer. Several factors can affect the calibration of a breath alcohol analyzer, potentially influencing the accuracy and reliability of its measurements. Here are some key factors that can impact the calibration of such devices. First one is device quality. The quality of reliability of the breath alcohol analyzer itself play a significant role in calibration. Second is sensor degradation. The sensor used in breath alcohol analyzer can degrade over time, affecting their sensitivity and accuracy. Environmental conditions. The operating environment can impact the calibration of a breath alcohol analyzer. Extreme temperature, humidity, and exposure to substances like cleaning agents or solvents can affect the device's performance and calibration accuracy. Next is user error. Calibration requires proper technique and adherence to the manufacturer's instructions. Failure to follow the recommended calibration procedure or incorrect handling of the device during the calibration process can introduce errors and affect the calibration accuracy. Next is calibration interval. Breath alcohol analyzer typically require regular calibration interval to maintain accuracy. For the next is calibration standards. The accuracy of the calibration process depends on the quality and reliability of the calibration standard used. Next is maintenance and service. Regular maintenance and servicing of the breath alcohol analyzer are crucial to maintain accurate calibration. The last one is interfering substances. Some substances, such as certain mouthwash, medications, or chemicals can interfere with the accuracy of breath alcohol measurements. Errors can occur in breath alcohol analyzers, which can affect the accuracy of measurements. These errors can arise from various sources and can be categorized into two main types, which is systematic errors and random errors. For systematic errors are consistent errors that occur due to factors that consistently impact the accuracy of the breath alcohol analyzer. Some sources of systematic errors included sensor calibration, environmental factors, interfering substances, and used error. So for random errors are unpredictable variations that can occur during breath alcohol testing. In conclusion, breath alcohol analyzer, commonly known as a breathalyzer, are invaluable tools for alcohol testing with significant implications for safety and compliance. They offer a convenient and quick method of screening for alcohol impairment, contributing to the prevention of accidents and the maintenance of a safe environment.